A smooth, silky, homemade mayonnaise. With all wonderful ingredients, it only takes about 5 minutes of your time to make. Mayonnaise is simply an emulsion of oil, egg yolk, and acid like lemon juice or vinegar. 2 pieces of room temperature eggs. Separate the egg whites from the yolks. A tablespoon of mustard. Whisk them well. Pour a few drops of oil and constantly whisk them. Use neutral flavored oil like canola, sunflower, or grapeseed. When the mayo starts to slightly thicken, carefully add some more oil and continue to whisk. For those 2 egg yolks, it can take from 300 milliliters up to 750 milliliters of oil. Do not put all the oil at once. It will split the mayo, and you definitely do not want that to happen. A tablespoon of vinegar. It doesn't only add the acidic flavor to the mayo, it also helps to stabilize the mixture. A bit of salt to taste. Look how fluffy it is! And the mayo is now ready. Enjoy!